Troubling developments from newly released transcripts in the Jeffrey Epstein sex crimes case. The transcripts from 18 years ago reveal the prosecutors knew about detailed accusations against Epstein years before he was given a sweetheart deal. Our national correspondent, Jerica Duncan, has the story.
4 months after Florida Governor Ron DeSantis signed a law permitting their release, Palm Beach County Circuit Judge Luis Delgado unveiled 150 pages of grand jury transcripts related to Jeffrey Epstein's state sex crimes case. The 2006 testimony reveals that an investigation into Epstein began a year earlier. 2 victims were questioned during the proceedings, including one who alleged Epstein, then in his 50s, molested her when she was just 14. The other said she was raped by Epstein the day before her 18th birthday. A detective on the case testified that victims were paid for sex acts and encouraged to recruit other underage girls, and told the younger, the better. Despite the gravity of the accusations, Epstein cut a deal with prosecutors 2 years later. He spent only 13 months in jail as part of a work release program after pleading guilty to state prostitution crimes. He did have to register as a sex offender.
One of the big takeaways from the grand jury testimony here is that people knew about this really problematic conduct for a long time, and not much was done to stop Jeffrey Epstein.
The prosecution has come under some criticism for their questioning of the victims during the 2006 proceedings, including asking them to acknowledge they had committed prostitution with Epstein and pointing out that some of them had past issues, including drug use and shoplifting. Some of Epstein's victims spoke out about the case in February.
We have been left in the dark for so long with no answers to what is going on and why things played out the way that they did.
Epstein was later arrested in 2019 on federal charges for sex trafficking dozens of underage girls. For CBS Mornings, I'm Jerica Duncan.